Hi, Dr. Hagmeyer here, and in this video series I want to talk to you about the 5 most powerful herbs that we use in our office to help rejuvenate and restore function back to these adrenal glands. I don't use these all at the same time. I also don't use these unless we've actually tested someone and really have a very clear understanding of how we need to best support those adrenals. And the first one I want to talk to you about and just help you understand is this thing, this natural medicine called ashwagandha. Okay, this is considered to be a classic rejuvenating herb in natural medicine. It's got a strong immune supportive effort, so it can help prevent ulcers that obviously are associated with stress and H. pylori infections. It can help enhance the body's adaptation to both chemical stressors and physical stressors. It's been shown to have a positive change in things like blood glucose levels or our blood sugar levels. It's been shown to help cholesterol levels. And one of the other things that it's very successful in studies have shown is how it can actually increase both T3 and T4 levels in people who actually suffer with thyroid imbalances. Okay, so very, very powerful herb used to not only support the adrenals but also support the thyroid gland. Okay, number 2 is Asian ginseng or Panax ginseng. Okay, this is a herb that's been used for thousands of years. It's been shown to increase stamina, help people who suffer with mental fatigue, emotional stressors. The person who most benefits from its use is the person that just feels, on a regular basis, they just feel overwhelmed. They just feel exhausted. Okay. The next one is Cordyceps. Okay. This has been used effectively to treat aging-related disorders such as kidney toxicity, high cholesterol levels, loss of sexual desire, and finally, any kind of blockage that relates to liver and gallbladder. Okay. So a very extremely helpful adaptogenic herb there as well. The next one is really one of my favorites. This is licorice. Okay, this is one of the most well-known herbs. It's also probably one of the most studied herbs, but this is used for enhancing diminished adrenal function again. Licorice has been used to help people who have low adrenal reserves for years. It's been shown to be a tonic in terms of helping antiviral infections. It can help with ulcers. It's anti-inflammatory. And it can actually work as an adaptogenic herb with people, men and women, that have problems with estrogen. So licorice does have the capacity to raise blood pressure. And in the process of also increasing blood pressure, it does that through the mechanism of increasing sodium retention when you take these at high levels. I don't see this very often, but it is something that, you know, if you do take licorice, the practitioner that you're working with, you want to make sure that they are monitoring and maintaining and making sure that your blood pressure doesn't go high. Okay, so that's just something that you should be aware of. But I will tell you that long-term use, again, has been completely safe. It's very effective. And so that brings us to the last one, which is rhodiola. Okay, this is another herb that's considered an adaptogen. And if an adaptogen, you've never heard of that term or that word, an adaptogen is really a unique class of healing plants. They help balance, they help restore, they help revitalize, but they also help protect the body against the stressors that come from oxidation and free radicals. Okay, rhodiola has also been used to decrease depression. Okay, a lot of studies have been showing the promise of rhodiola for depression. It helps stimulate the nerve system, which again obviously has a role with depression. And then finally, it helps increase the work performance and really just eliminate, again, this mental and physical fatigue that we see over and over and over with people that have adrenal problems. So there you have it. Those are my 5 favorite natural adrenal rejuvenating herbs. And again, if you suffer with adrenal fatigue, I encourage you to visit our website, drhagmeyer.com. There's a lot of great information on there. Other videos that we've done to help you gain control of your health, help you get your energy back, and really steps that you can take to restore health and just live a long, healthy life. Okay, take care.